Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to Little Stars, your ultimate destination for children. If you're as passionate about delicious recipes for kids, then hit that subscribe button right now and join our incredible community. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the amazing kids' meals recipes videos we have in store for you. So, let's dive right in. Here's a simple recipe for making cold coffee. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, adjust to taste, 1 cup of milk, ice cubes. Optional: flavored syrups, vanilla, caramel, etc. Closing parenthesis. Optional toppings: whipped cream, chocolate syrup, cinnamon, etc. Instructions: in a glass or jar, add the instant coffee and sugar. Add a few tablespoons of hot water to the glass and stir until the coffee and sugar are dissolved. You can adjust the amount of water depending on how strong you want your coffee. Fill the glass with ice cubes. Pour the milk over the ice cubes, leaving some space at the top for additional toppings if desired. If you want flavored cold coffee, add a few pumps of your preferred syrup and stir well. Optional: top your cold coffee with whipped cream, a drizzle of chocolate syrup, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Give it a good stir to combine all the ingredients. Serve and enjoy. You can also experiment with different variations by adding a scoop of ice cream or blending the ingredients together for a creamy and frothy cold coffee. Feel free to customize the recipe according to your taste preferences. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel where I give you delicious recipes I've learned about. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.